Hey guys, this is Shiba, and as you know, I'm a trainer. Today, I wanted to address something that was bothering me that came to me as questions. So I thought this is a good time to talk about it. But even before we get there, even though the times are a little worrying outside of us, I see a lot of positive things, such as people taking on to fitness seriously. You see a whole new clan of fitness enthusiasts. It's all good. But there is a lot of information out there, a lot of people telling you what to do. Just make sure that you pick the right information and use it correctly. So today, what I want to talk to you about is both weight loss and weight gain during the pandemic. See, most of us are doing classes remotely these days because the gyms are closed. So what I see is a lot of people have lost weight, and some of them have not lost any weight, while some of them have gained weight. So now the people who have lost weight, so there's this one person who's a friend who works out like once a day, and works throughout the day, eats whatever he gets, but has easily lost about 6 kgs. Now, that's an easy story. There's another girl who works out once a day, eats right, and has lost about 2 to 3 kgs, which is good because her efforts have been paid off. Now, there is this other girl who works out every day, um, works to works about 12 hours in a day, but has only gained weight. Now her eating habits, I won't say they're great, but it's not too bad either. So now what could be the reason? So the most worrying thing is about the weight gain part, not that much for the weight loss part. So I did speak to a lot of psychologists about the issues that's happening around us, and the reason for um, weight loss or weight gain in relation to stress. Now, yes, so now why I had spoken to a psychologist was for about sleep patterns, and this is what I learned. So now what happens is there is this stress that's looming large around us, and the stress that without us knowing has a deep impact intrinsically to us. So some of us address it, some of us don't address it, some of us understand it, some of us don't understand it, and the ratio of stress between each of us is also varies. So now, what is this stress? Normally, during a global pandemic or something that is unnatural that happens around us in the world, it is said that there is some sort of stress that happens to us without even us understanding it, which is normal, of course, right? We're not able to go out, we're not able to lead normal lives, and the new normal is different for us now, right? Wearing masks, maintaining social distancing, and such. So now the normal is abnormal became normal for us currently. So now, so that itself is stressful for us, which we try to not address it by covering it up with lots of other activities that we try and do. So now I'm going to be talking about the girl who gained weight, who so now I tried to analyze her lifestyle, what her day was like an 8-hour work became 13 hours for her, because working from home is not the same as working at office. So you don't have the same level of concentration where there's a lot of distractions around at home. So what happens, obviously, for her 8-hour work became 13 hours, and so it's stressful. So what happened, her rest periods just shrunk. She got only about 3 to 4 hours of sleep in a day, and even though she ate right, she never drank enough water, and even her meal patterns were really wonky. Like, she'd eat 9 o'clock in the morning and then forget and eat at 3 o'clock in the evening, and it was like that. So of course, even though somebody did have a random lifestyle, somebody could lose weight, somebody cannot lose weight. Now, stress works differently in different people. Some people gain weight, some people lose weight. And stress is also a vicious cycle, because once you start worrying about weight gain, that's stress, which adds on to your existing stress, which is global, and your work stress, and lack of rest. So it's a vicious cycle, and it just keeps going on and on and on, adding to stress. At one point, your body will just give up. So now my thing is that also your sleep patterns, when they become wonky, what happens is, even when you work out, your muscles don't have enough time to recoup. So it makes no sense. So the days when you work really long hours and you don't get enough rest, I suggest you just sleep. So weight gain can be avoided by doing these small things. drink enough water during the day, watch when you eat and what you eat, and finally take enough rest. Rest as in good sleep, good quality sleep. So what you should do is, the days when your work extends to say about 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock and you had like a really exhausting day, it's okay if you don't work out. Just shut your phone off and go to sleep. Get some good rest. Then the next day, start your day with some sort of a workout, and then regulate your sleep patterns again and your rest patterns again. So make sure you get up to 15 to 30 minutes of workout. Do something every day, considering that you get enough rest in the day and you hydrate really well, and you also manage what you eat. So for us, it's very, very crucial to keep fit and active and keep your health and immunity in check during this times, for us to go out and face the world again, because the pandemic is not over as yet. The virus is going to stick around for a while, so when we go out, our immunity still has to be in check. So my advice to you all is, it's a very small thing. I'm not getting into really technical things like go on a deficit or count your macros or stuff like that. Very simple, just eat right, hydrate well, sleep really well, which means good quality sleep before you start doing some workout, which is crucial for you. These three things will help you to keep your health in check, first of all, and also your mental health also in check. When you get enough rest, obviously your mind is also at rest. So these things will sort of help you guys. I hope this small suggestion that I shared with you is of use to you. Please write to me or let me know if this was useful to you. If you know of somebody who is struggling with weight loss, or somebody who's stressing out because of weight gain, please tell them that it's completely okay. And to all of you out there who's losing weight, really good job, because your hard work is paying off. But to all of us, we're all in this together, and we're all going to get out of this together too. So stay strong, guys, and until next time, see you all. Bye bye.